What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you today about the 2020 Access Cab Tacoma TRD Sport 4-wheel drive that I have here behind me. This one has a couple additional options on it that I think is cool to point out. Plus, you know, it's a new model year, it's 2020, so we'll talk about the changes with that too. This one does have the LED light package, so you've got the LED daytime running light, LED headlights, LED fog light. 2020 models did get an update on the grille. So in comparison to 2019 grille, you can see that's a 20 grille on the right and a 19 grille on the left. We got 17-inch alloy wheels, but they are a different design than last year. The TRD package is going to have color-matched over fenders, color-matched rear bumper. The 2020s have the new clear tail lights. You're also going to get the smart keyless entry on passenger door, not just the driver's door. Also, of course, it's a sport, so you get the hood scoop up front. This is an automatic, so of course it's going to have your push button start. Also new for 2020 is the power driver seat. Of course, it's going to have all your power options. Now, this one's got the automatic dual zone climate control package. This used to be the premium package last year. This year, they call it dual zone auto climate control package. It's a $2,400 upgrade. It also includes factory navigation and heated seats. So the new infotainment system is a little larger than the previous year. Also, it includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, this has your full Toyota safety sense with the dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, as well as automatic high beams. We've got all your stereo controls, Bluetooth controls for your phone here. We got the map there, auto climate control down here. Up in the mirror, we got a home link system for your garage door openers. It's a 4-passenger with the access cab. Real quick, I'm going to show you those lights too, because they look really cool. Isn't that cool? I might make a quick video at the end of this too, once it gets dark out, so you can see that a little better. Access cab's got the rear doors that open on both sides. So yeah, that's your new 2020 Access Cab TRD Sport. All right, what's up, YouTube? So I'm back here to show you at night the difference here. Really cool lighting with the new LED package. I figured I'd give you a little further display too, since it's I still have quite a few 19s here on the lot. So there's my standard headlight now compared to the beam of a 19 Pro. There's my fog lights with this one. High beams, fog lights off, headlights off. Headlights off. So, this is a 19 Pro. So we've got halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights. This one has the Rigid Industries LED fogs. Let's turn that off. In comparison to the 20. I really also like this, just the looks of the 2020. I mean, Cool upgrade. Yeah, there's your 2020 LED headlight pack. That's my video for today. Again, I'm Patrick, the car guy, over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I've been super busy actually selling cars lately, so I haven't posted as much as I normally do, but I try to have all the new models from Toyota, and you know, possibly someday some other vehicles too. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, or hit me up with that number below. Have a great day.